Silence, silence, buzzing out the silence, silence. I feel the walls closing on me and I'm terrified. I listen, listen, trying to stay hidden, hidden. Deep inside I know that I've run out of time. I hear them coming in. Oh, I feel a fire within. I'll scream until my lungs give out. You're never gonna hold me down. If all I have is an epitaph, remembered in the aftermath, let it be that I won't go quietly. I feel the pressure, pressure, barely holding it together, together. With this burden on my back, it's hard to breathe. My heart is racing, racing. My strength is fading, fading. But I'll keep running till I know I'm finally free. I know they're close behind.